When people talk about Elon Musk as well, or Jeff Bezos as well, that's not in gold and that's not in cash. I think it's very important to understand why we left the gold standard. If you look at in the past, when there was market recessions, when people weren't buying as much stuff for goods and services, what would happen is the affluent and the rich would instead put their money and hoard it in gold. What that would lead to is the gold price going up and making it only more and more lucrative. At the same time, that money that's being flown into gold is no longer creating industry. It's no longer employing people. These people are not being employed, are no longer having the capacity to buy goods and services, which means they're not being produced. And that's what we call a vicious circle. And therefore, the solution of that was very simple. It was to go off the gold standard. It was to target an inflation level. By having a consistent inflation, what it really is, it's a tax on the affluent. It makes sure that the affluent's wealth is actually invested in productive capacity to either employ individuals or to produce goods and services that are valuable to the individuals. And that's why when people talk about Elon Musk as well, or Jeff Bezos as well, what we have to understand is that's not in gold and that's not in cash. That's in real businesses that have real productive output that has a strong value add to people's lives in both of employment and production.